Hi guys, this is Sanjay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this paper star. If you're new to this channel, I upload videos of crafts, drawing, cooking, and many more. So if you don't want to miss any of the videos, please press the subscribe button and switch on the bell notifications so you don't miss any of the videos. So now let's get started. To do the paper star, you need to first take a sheet of paper that is 15 into 15 centimeters. If you want a bigger star than the one I showed you before, you can take a little bigger square paper. So first take this paper and fold it along this dotted line. That is from here to here. This one should come to here. Now fold it along this dotted line from this corner to here. You should fold it. Then over here, like from here to here, this should come here. Now you can see this X mark. So take this tip to till here and fold it till the X mark. Then fold it. Now fold this one to here. Now fold from here to here. Now turn this towards the back and fold this one to here. So now you will have this pattern. After you do this, you have to take a scissor, cut over here. Then you can throw this part. Now when you unfold this one, you can find a star shape. Now all you have to just fold all these creases. And this one. Then this one, then the last one. To fold this part also below, you have to just turn it like this and then fold all these parts. Now your paper star will be ready, and if you are new to this channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell button so that you don't miss any of the videos. Thanks for watching.